You ready, Jake?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
There we go.
You're off.
How are we looking in the back? Alright, slowly come up.
You're on.
How are we?
Yeah, there's a wire right here. What is that?
Where?
Right here, where my flathead is.
Where are you looking?
Right here, up top.
It's not going.
You alright? Alright.
Yeah, it's...
You're off.
Hold on.
What is it? Ground?
Sensor. You filming?
You're off in the back.
Bring it up.
Up, hold on. Let me see if I can extension in.
Yeah, we're good if you come out.
Up.
Hold on.
Yeah, pull up a little more, Trent. We're hooked up right here.
What do you got?
A little something. Yeah, okay.
What do you need?
Huh?
Got antifreeze. Little adjustable.
Can I get your way, Ron?
Nah, you got it. Just leave it there. We're good. Tightening. Righty tighty. Down. Push the wrench down.
I can't get on it tight enough.
Well, get the right wrench.
What size is that?
I got an adjustable here.
You got a whole slew of wrenches over
Yeah,
here.
it's a little one. Really little.
10.
Here, let's see. There you
You
go.
gotta take it off. You're out. Look, it's not hooked to anything. Just pull it the hell out.
What you got this one?
Oh, isn't it original? Just route it. Alright, go up with it.
Up?
You're alright.
Yeah, go up with it.
Watch your hose there. Watch your hose.
I got it. You got it. Just go up with it. Up. Keep going.
You're alright.
Keep going.
You're good?
Whoa.
What?
We're hooked on the firewall in the back. Go down. Alright. There's a little wrench, 10 mil. Looks like off the back of the firewall or off the back of the motor there. You see I'm tethered?
What is that? Ground or something?
Yeah, it's just a ground, that's all.
Let's buy the transmission dipstick, dude. On the back of the head.
See where I'm hooked to?
No.
Right here.
Right on the back of the head there.
Okay. Go down.
Right here?
Down, keep down a little bit.
Alright. Snow in the You got the right wrench? Yeah. No, you don't.
What do you think about all this?
I think this is the Helen Keller way of doing shit. working with Fisher Price tools, we'd have it out by now.
Oh, come on. I think it's fun. You always got one or two things that are gonna hold you the hell up when you think you got them all.
Get the firewall one, 10 mil, done. Or yank it out.
What the hell? It's a ground. It's the fucking cut it. Cut it.
I was saying, man. Where the hell is it?
There.
I can't see it.
Scissors. Give me cutters. Cut this. No, it's metal. You need something.
New pair of dikes.
Yeah. Preferably flat.
And a camera. Oh, we got the camera.
Fisher Price.
Just cut it. Cut that one.
All right.
Now we're going places.
Alright.
Oh, it's
Go up. Straight up. You got it. You got straight up.
There we go.
Yeah!
Oh, look at
Yeah, this is out of the way. And we can just sit it down on the porch.
Hold up.
20 feet of snow.
Hold on. We can swing. Let me just go up a little bit. Hold on.
Just swing it around.
Swing her over here.
Then she's out.
Those three fire were right under there. But you need a spiral bolt or no? Okay, that's fine.
That's my hands right now.
Yeah, I can't. You getting all this? There should be a wrench.
Smack a wrench.
Socket on your.
On top, right where you
Got
have the
wrenches
top.
right here, dude. Alright, never mind.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Next side's bigger. Probably one of the best days to do this.
Oh, this is
I think we should wait for a couple more inches of snow before we go any further.
Should've done it this afternoon.
You were the one that came over and said, hey, can you come lift my
See what
motor
we got
out?
Damn it. Alright.
Game on, yeah. I'm the kind of guy that goes, yeah, sure, whatever.
It's a learning curve.
No, first one, chief. Definitely so.
Never doing the snow.
Great job.
I'm thinking of
Motor's
it.
out.
Yeah.
Helps to have the right tools, you know.
Hey, motor, where's the motor? It's not in the truck anymore. It's sitting right here. I say, good job.
That's what I'm saying.
No one died yet?
Up to have a neighbor with an excavating company that has a crane.
Oh.
Hold on. Down winch.
Come on, you winch.
A little bit more.
Hold on. We get down just a hair. There you go. Let's slide in now.
Like a glove.
Done.
Alright.
Done, son. Oh! Oh, he's taking a
You
leak.
worried about that? You're gonna drip more. Get a fan, dude.
Yeah.
Whatever's in the motor.
Get that solar fan.
Just look the other way.
Hey, the only one problem is antifreeze, dude. It's melting snow.
Let's do it. There we go. Get all out of your system. Oh!
Dude. Oh, shoot.
Alright. Why isn't this stopping anytime soon? Bent over. What?
This thing gonna ever stop bending here or what?
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
What the hell, man?
Cameraman's gonna lose his fingers soon.
Dude, I don't even know if that's safe.
Just reel it in, put some blocks underneath of it.
Ah, yeah, that's like 6 horsepower.
Watch your truck. Watch me.
Putting this thing on.
Yeah, you guys. What? Alright, let's get this inside and then get the hood on.
What do you think about all this? Oh, there it is.
Word of the wise, when there's snow on the ground, don't do this crap.
See, I can't feel my fingers right there. Ooh!
Yeah!
Little transfloatable antifreeze won't hurt.
Come on, baby, puke it all out. Come on. It was a rough night.
Take her ratchet strap on your track. Well, Jack.
Alright, let's get the heat gun. I can't feel my fingers.
All that. Alright.
Alright, shut this thing off. I can't feel my fingers.